Hi everybody and welcome back to the painting channel. Today it's a watercolor. It's all about painting greens, so let's dive straight in, run the intro and let's see what happens. Hi everybody and welcome back. Now, before I go any further, let me, as always, thank all my subscribers, new and old. Thank you so much for your support, guys. It does mean a lot, and it also helps grow my channel and the audience that YouTube offers my content too. So yeah, if you're not a subscriber though, and you're watching this and you're enjoying what you're seeing, then click the subscribe button, click the bell icon and click the thumbs up on each video you watch, assuming you like them, of course. That would be fantastic, and it really does help YouTube understand that I am worthy as a channel to promote and offer it to other people, so more people get to enjoy it around the world. That's the whole idea. And if you want more from me, don't forget there is a live stream every Monday evening at 7 p.m. London time. Tune in for that. That'd be great to have you on the side there watching that, and also comment and get involved with the chat if you want to. On top of that, there is always my Patreon. It is growing and there is content being added continually to that. So if you want a lot more from me and want to learn a lot more from me and have a more direct contact with me in that sort of area, then take a look. All the details are in the Show More tab below each and every video. Jump over to the Patreon, take a look at the tiers, see if something interests you, and you'll be so welcome. And you got to know this, that every penny that all my patrons spend goes back into helping me support all the efforts I'm making in continuing creating new content for everybody to enjoy. So yeah, be happy to have you on board. Thank you very much for at least taking a have a look. Now, in the meantime, let's talk about greens. What I wanted to do was a few weeks ago, I did a little video showing you all the different colors that I can employ in my palette to create different greens. I'll put the link up there, and if you haven't watched it, it's worth just popping back and having a look at that first. Now I wanted to do a little watercolor based upon all that information, so we're going to do just a simple landscape. It's one that's actually near Bodiam Castle in East Sussex, and yeah, just have a look at that. You can then see how I mix some of those colors up and employ them in a full picture. So without further ado, let's get straight into it and see what happens. Okay, so let's just draw a straight line in, and we will go from a mark with about 3 inches down. I've just made the mark a little while ago, and if you see any little bits of drawing on here, it's because I actually started filming this. Well, I thought I was, and I got so far into the drawing, then it turned itself off. So actually I hadn't recorded a single thing. But here I'm just going to put in some very simple, there's already dust, look at that, bit of hair got in there, but lots of little shapes, and this will grow to pale off as it dries. And I'll just put a little bit of red into that, take my sky as a solid colour where I want it to, then if I wish to I can soften some of these marks almost down to the white. think that's where I want it to be. So let's just come in here with that nice bright green through the back of this field into the top of this bank. Now you can see already that that bank has got to get a lot of darks going on in it because it is way too light at the moment. Now what I will do is I'm just going to suggest by taking some of that out, some of the power of that green off, by dragging through the brush with just water in it, but not a lot. I took a lot of the water out, so it is merely taking some of the excess paint out. Once that's dry, we can come in with more darks over that area there. There is more of this green colour in other places, which we will probably employ at some point. Little bit of Popular above, so let's put those in. This is almost just the first color. It's going to leave a little suggestion of the trunks as I wanted to. Just, oh, I missed that one completely and I've gone through the next one, but hey ho, they're still there in they're still there in spirit. If I really feel bad about that, I can just tap off like that and recover that position and just come back in again and just leave that area nice and open for those trees to be put in there. That's nice. That works. Blue with a little bit of Aureolin in there, not too much, just to take it out to a nice green through here on this big shrub or bush or whatever it is. I'm now painting negative spaces around it so it will go down and into the ground of the far bank like that. I hope that is good. And I'm going to put in some more yellow into that green and make a more acidic colour of this bush here as it comes down, and well, it's actually sitting on the top there. Violet, but I want to make it very soft, so I'm going to put in a lot of water so that when I put this glaze in, it is just a small lovely watery tone over the whole thing, reflecting the clouds and the sky. And I will put in one or two areas that are suggestive of a bit more blue, and just suggesting that there is some cloud above. Leave that like that, not go too mad with that. Come back in with our lighter green for the top nettle leaves. Let's bring one or two in like so, like that, and another one that's there. Now I'm not worried if these are not the same as the photo. This is really quite a random thing, just trying a little flick out like so, suggesting these nettle leaves. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you got something from it. I'm sure you did. And if that's the case and you did like it, then don't forget, subscribe, comment, like, and share. More importantly, share, but comment too. And that'll be fantastic. And don't forget the live streams, as I've said, and don't forget the Patreon. Nip on over there and take a look. In the meantime, I'll catch you all very, very soon. Have a go at this. Stay safe. Happy painting. All the best for now, guys. Catch you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.